supposed to use a pad over here? Supposed to use a pad?
The next one was like. Bronze, and I won the first one.
Do you play?
No, it's just a big here.
I never saw it before.
But you play like.
We used to do
Wow.
Yeah, nothing in the real. 13. What ball? 15 here? The side. Oh, the side, okay.
Call this shot. I don't know what they call it. This is where you got to call.
Where's it looking? Still open, so let's hear it.
What's the one you pay for time?
Two ball.
start here.
These are the medal winners in the ladies 70 to 79 category.
Susan Todd, gold.
Marie Wallace, silver.
All right, the winners of the billiards age 70 to 79 bracket. Mike Pate won the bronze, and he's not here. And
Ross Birnbaum, George Stevenson.
now.
All right.
Okay, this is the age 80 to 89 category, and the gold medal winner is
Ron Mokos.
silver Pete Palestina.
Bob Lawrence, bronze.